captivating natural decor ideas to refresh your home and bring nature indoors. Introduction: The allure of nature in home decor. Welcome to the Decor channel. In today's fast-paced world, many of us crave a connection to nature, seeking solace and tranquility within our homes. The idea of bringing the outdoors inside through natural decor is not just a trend but a way to enhance our living spaces while improving our well-being. By incorporating elements like plants, natural materials, and earth-tone palettes, we can create an inviting atmosphere that fosters relaxation and rejuvenation. In this video, we will explore captivating natural decor ideas that can refresh your home and help you connect with nature. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on architecture and interior design. The power of indoor plants. One of the most effective ways to introduce nature into your home is through indoor plants. Not only do they purify the air, but they also add life and color to your space. Different plants serve various purposes. Some can thrive in low light, while others require bright sunlight. When selecting plants, consider your lifestyle, the amount of natural light available, and the maintenance level you're comfortable with. For example, snake plants and pothos are ideal for beginners due to their hardiness and minimal care requirements. Incorporating a variety of plants can create a Natural materials, the essence of Earth. Using natural materials in your decor can significantly impact the overall atmosphere of your home. Materials such as wood, stone, and cotton can create a sense of warmth and grounding, making your space feel more inviting. Consider incorporating reclaimed wood furniture or natural stone accents like countertops and decorative pieces. Textiles made from organic fibers add texture and comfort, allowing for a cozy atmosphere. The juxtaposition of these elements creates a harmonious balance, evoking a sense of calm that resonates through. Earthy color palettes for serenity. The colors you choose for your home can greatly influence its ambience. Earthy color palettes, featuring greens, browns, and soft neutrals, can evoke a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. These colors can be incorporated through paint, furniture, and accessories. For instance, a soft sage green wall can act as a backdrop for natural wood furnishings and plant life, creating a cohesive and serene environment. By thoughtfully selecting your color scheme, you can establish a soothing atmosphere that invites relaxation and peace. creating focal points with natural decor. Every room can benefit from a focal point that draws the eye and enhances the natural theme of your decor. This could be a large potted plant, a stunning piece of natural art, or even a beautifully arranged terrarium. Focal points not only anchor a room visually but also provide an opportunity to showcase your personality and style. For example, placing a tall indoor tree near a window can create a striking visual while bringing a sense of outdoor life indoors. These focal points serve as conversation starters and enrich the overall design of your space. Embracing natural light. Natural light is an essential component of creating a serene atmosphere in your home. It not only enhances the beauty of your decor but also has positive effects on your mood and well-being. To maximize natural light, consider using sheer curtains that allow sunlight to filter through while maintaining privacy. Large windows and open spaces can also create an airy feel, making your home feel more expansive. Arranging furniture to take advantage of light sources ensures that every corner of your home benefits from the warmth and brightness of the sun. Incorporating outdoor elements. To deepen your connection with nature, consider incorporating outdoor elements into your decor. This could include natural stone features, such as a rock garden or a water feature, that create a soothing ambience. Additionally, outdoor-inspired accents like botanical prints, woven baskets, and driftwood can enhance the natural theme throughout your home. These elements remind us of the beauty found outdoors and can create a seamless transition between your interior and the natural world. Seasonal decor changes. Embracing the changing seasons through decor can keep your home feeling fresh and aligned with nature. Each season brings unique colors, textures, and elements that can be reflected in your interior design. For example, in spring, you might introduce floral arrangements and pastel colors, while autumn could bring in warm oranges, reds, and earthy textures. Regularly updating your decor to reflect seasonal changes allows you to maintain a dynamic and engaging living space that celebrates the beauty of nature year-round. Personalizing your space with nature. Your home should reflect your personality and lifestyle. Personalizing your space with natural decor allows you to create a unique atmosphere that resonates with you. Whether it's through showcasing your favorite plants, art inspired by nature, or handmade items from local artisans, these personal touches make your home feel like a sanctuary. Take the time to curate your decor thoughtfully. Each item should hold meaning and contribute to the overall vibe you wish to create. Conclusion: your journey to a nature-inspired home. As we conclude our exploration of captivating natural decor ideas, remember that creating a serene atmosphere in your home is an ongoing journey. By integrating plants, natural materials, and thoughtful design elements, you can cultivate a living space that refreshes your mind and soul. We encourage you to take these ideas and apply them to your own home, creating a personal oasis that truly reflects your connection to nature. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring tips on architecture and interior.